Okay, so I'm going to show you how, once you've finished your animation, right? Once you've finished your animation, how do you download it so that you can upload it into Google Classroom or Google Slides or into your email or save it basically so that you can use this GIF anywhere. Okay, so here's my GIF. I wrote art. So up here at the top, if you click save, this will save the Brush Ninja file so that you can come back and edit it another time. Okay. I want to export it because it's finished. I'm going to name my animation. Oh my Lanta. Try again. There we go. I'm going to name my animation art animation. Right, that's good. And then click export as an animated GIF. Now, basically what's happening right now is it's converting the Brush Ninja file into a GIF file. I still need to click download in order for it to save to my computer. So once you click download, you'll see it pop up at the bottom of your screen with your animation's name, art animation GIF. Okay. If you wanted to turn it into an MP4, let's say that you animated a volcano erupting or you're animating precipitation, you can click convert GIF to video. This will help you, especially if you can't figure out how to upload a GIF file. You can always upload an MP4. Now, what this app is doing right now is it's now asking you to pull this GIF I just downloaded off of the app and put on my computer. I have to upload it back into the program. So I'm going to click Art Animation, Open. So now that it has it has the GIF, it's converting it into an MP4. You still have to download it. Now I'm going to scroll down and you'll see, oh, look at that, download a movie. You can watch it, make sure that you like it. If you don't like it, so sad. Click download movie. And now I have it downloaded here as an MP4. And that's it. That's how you can convert your Brush Ninja file into a GIF, or how to convert your GIF into an MP4. All right, can't wait to see what you create. Get creative. Just kidding, I'm back. Because I want to show you how to upload it into Google Classroom. Okay, so when you click on your stream, if you want to upload it in your stream, you can literally click upload, browse, and grab either your GIF or your MP4. I'm going to grab my GIF, click open. It's going to take a minute. There we go. So there it is. It's working. So I'm just going to write uh how to upload your GIF because after I post this video, then I'll throw this link in here. Post. Okay. And then here's my GIF. It's playing. Oh my goodness. It's adorable. Good job, me. All right. Now get creative. Bye.